Welcome guys to episode 27 of how we build 5-story building. Today we are pouring concrete on the slab on the 4th floor. As you can see here, we have the trucks laying up to put the concrete on the pump and bring it to the 4th floor. And as you can see here, how is the structure already up to the 5th floor and the higher roof. I'm going to show you now how we are pouring concrete inside. Here you can see how we are pouring already inside. Finishers are doing the previous finish to the slab, and then we're gonna put the helicopters to do a smooth finish. After this, we're gonna keep going with the 5th floor and then doing all the partition inside. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell, so you can have a update on how we build the 5-story building. Thanks for watching.